Hello, I'm Glax. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a makeup tutorial. So nice to break up the monotony of hair reviews, but I hope you enjoyed this. This was actually a challenge given by Elise Diaz and Lisa Sledgevala in the group Rogue Beauties, and I saw the challenge. It's the challenge that, you know, you have a friend draw a makeup look and then you try to emulate it. So that's what we're trying to do here. I will, throughout the video, put up a picture. Actually, you know what? I'll do it right now. I put up that picture. That is what I'm trying to do. I'm starting out with creating my brows. I'm using the Juvia's Place black gel liner. When you go to buy it on the site, it actually comes with a pot of black and it comes with a pot of brown, and it comes with this really nice brush. It's a double-ended brush. So yeah, I believe it is $15. Don't quote me on that. Sometimes you can get a code and get it cheaper. So I'm just kind of creating the brow. Later on, I will get a spoolie and get some of the product out to make it look more natural and not so dark. Typically, I only do the brows with the gel for like IG or my YouTube videos because the lights kind of dim down whenever I use a pencil. So doing pomade brows for these videos and IG looks is, I feel, the best thing for them to really show up and pop. On the normal, I only use a brow pencil. Using my Juvia's Place flat brush, I'm going to take my Jeffree Star concealer in the shade C13, I believe, and I'm going to carve out the brows. So starting underneath the brows, obviously I've seen this done before, and I'm just spreading the product down. Afterwards, I'm going to take two of my fingers and kind of just blot, because right underneath the brow is where a lot of the concealer accumulates, and if you try to like spread it with your finger, it gets into the brows. So I find dabbing does not spread it up into the brows. It just sponges off that concealer, and then you can go to the middle of the crease and whatnot and blend that out. This shade is called ABBA, and I depotted it from my festival palette, and I'm taking this Juvia's Place brush, getting the color on there, and then spritzing it with some of the e.l.f. coconut misting spray just to get it wet, because I don't want any of this eyeshadow to blend. I'm going to be kind of getting like these paint drop looks, at least that's what it looks like to me from the picture. I am not blending whatsoever. I am dabbing. I'm pushing the color onto my eyelid, and that is all. This pink shade is called Fula, and it is from the Saharan palette from Juvia's Place. Same trick. Putting it on the brush, spritzing it with some spray, and then dabbing it onto the eye. So this shade is called Zalea from Silhouette Boutiques, and I am doing the same method of putting it on the brush, spritzing it, and then blotting it onto my eye. I do have a coupon code with this company, and I have the link down in the description. To save a little bit of money, please feel free to use my code. The eyes for right now, as far as the shadow, are done. I'm going to start with my base on my face, and this is a Wet n Wild PhotoFocus stick foundation. I didn't care for the liquid foundation, but I do actually enjoy it in the stick form. I will put the name of the shade down below. I'm putting it on this Juvia's Place foundation brush, and I spritzed it a little bit because I find that it helps spread the foundation evenly and gives it a really pretty luminous effect and not so matte. I'm using the same Jeffree Star concealer underneath my eyes. I don't like to put a lot, so one little spot is enough for me. This is actually a little light right now because I have tanned over the summer, so I'm just trying to make it work. Blotting it in, I tried to do it with the brush and it just could not get in there, so I'm getting a beauty blender and just kind of dabbing that concealer in and blending it out. I have really been enjoying this Makeup Revolution Banana Light setting powder, and this is what I use first underneath my eyes to set my concealer. I do not bake. I wipe it off almost immediately after I apply it onto my under eyes, and then with whatever remaining product I have left from what I tapped out of the bottle, I get a powder brush and I set my entire face. According to the picture that I'm going off of, we've got to blush it up. This is the shade Serafina from Juvia's Place, and I am going to put quite a large amount of blush on my cheeks and across the bridge of my nose. For my highlight, because I need a highlight, I know that doesn't show a highlight in the picture, but I'm going to be using the new Silhouette Boutique highlighting brush. This is absolutely perfect. I'm so excited for this to come out on the website. As soon as I know when that will be coming out, I will be making an announcement. I'm so stinking excited, guys. You are going to love this brush. The highlighter I'm using is the latest highlighter from the Selena Matte collection from this year, I believe it came out. It is absolutely beautiful. I will leave the name down below. I might even try to link it if it is still available. Glitter time! It has been a while since I have used glitter, so I was so excited to tackle this. I'll be using varieties of glitter as well as different shapes of glitter. I will be applying some on my lips, my cheeks, my nose, above my brow, and of course all over my eyelids. I will be applying the glitter with e.l.f.'s glitter glue. It's very inexpensive and it does the trick. Slight intermission. My lips just were a no-go. I was hating how pale they looked in comparison to my eyes. So I wiped off the powder and foundation from my lips, and I'm lining with this Colourpop pencil. I believe the shade is called Pitch. Yes? No? Maybe? And I'm going to softly kind of blend the lip liner once I am done applying it. With the outline done, I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in the shade EllieG, and I'm going to put it right in the center of my lip, and then with my finger blend that bad boy out. Look is basically done, so from here on out I'm just going to be taking the glitter glue and patting it in the areas that I'm going to be applying the glitter. Obviously starting right now on my lips, going to pat a little bit of glue on. I'm not going to cover my lips, I'm just going to kind of sporadically put some of the glitter on my lips. I definitely want to get some of those little chunks because that's what the picture looks like, and I'm really trying to emulate that picture. So yeah, enjoy the bit of music that I find on these silent clips, and I hope that you like how it turns out. Lash time. These are the Bonita lashes from The0nlymillicosemtics. I love these lashes. I'm really into the cat eye. I like them sparse on the inside and then long toward the outside of the eye. If you are interested in these lashes or even just want to look at their site, the The0nlymillicosemtics link is in the description, as well as a coupon code so that you can save a little bit of money on your order. And that is the look, guys. I really hope that you like the way it came out. I love the way it came out. I was really feeling myself after this look. And the wig really tied it all together. I will link this wig down in the description box as well. It is off of Amazon and it's pretty inexpensive, very affordable. Please follow me on all of my social medias. Everything is made by EllieG, Facebook, Twitter, my YouTube channel, and Instagram. I hope you love this. Bye.